Honorable students, good morning. This class is for the students of 10th Math. The medium is English. This class is for the board exam. In this class, I will discuss short answer question of the chapter Simultaneous Linear Equation in Two Variables. In previous classes, I have also discussed it. Let us see question number 11. Comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, calculate that the given linear equations pair minus 2x minus 3y equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y equal to 9 are either consistent or inconsistent. In previous classes, I have already learned in what condition the equation is either consistent or inconsistent. In this question, I will describe it. Let us calculate. First, we will convert the given equations in general form and then we calculate A1 by A2, B1 by A2 and then we will obtain whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent by calculating the condition which I have discussed in previous classes. Let us see. Converting the given equations in general form. General form we have. Please note it in your notebook. Then I will write next step. Minus 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have A1 by A2 is equal to minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 9 is equal to 8 by 9. What we see here, A1 by A2 equal to minus half, B1 by B2 equal to minus 3y equal to 1 by 2, C1 by C2 equal to 8 by 9. What we see here, A1 by A2 is equal to not B1 by B2, and we know that in this condition equations are consistent. Here we have A1 by A2 is equal to not B1 by B2. So the linear equations pair are consistent. You note it in your notebook. Question number 12. Solve 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. What we do in this situation? We take xy in LHS and it will come in the form of division and we will have, let us see, given that six x plus 3y equal to 6xy, or 6y y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. This is question number 1. We do in the same with second equation, and we have, let us see, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy, or 2 by y is equal to 4 by x is equal to 5. This is question number 2. Now we have to solve the equation, that is, we will have to obtain the value of x and y. Here no particular method is asked, so we cannot adopt any method for solving the questions. We adopt elimination method. We eliminate here y, the variable y. What we do for this? We multiply first equation by the coefficient of the variable y in second equation, and we multiply second equation by coefficient of y in first equation. And this is short answer question, so we should not write more language, and in short we write it as first equation first into 2 minus second into 6. Here it need not to write that on subtraction, because I have already written this here. We directly subtract the equations after multiplication by changing sign. Let us see. 12 by y plus 6 by x is equal to 12 by y plus 6 by x is equal to 12, and 12 by y plus 24 y, 6 4 ja 24, 24 y, 24 by x, sorry, 6 4 ja 25, 24 by x, 24 by x is equal to 6 5 ja 30, 30. We change the sign and subtract. This will cancel. Plus and minus are subtracted and sign is of greater. So here we write minus 18 by x, and also here minus 18 by 18. Here also minus plus is subtracted and sign is of greater. See here, you note it in your notebook. Then I will write next step. Where x, we take x in right hand side, that will become in divisional form, and we take minus 18 of RHS in left hand side, that will come in divisional form, and we have x is equal to minus 18 by minus 18, this is equal to 1. Now we put the value of y, now we put the value of x in either equation 1 or in equation 2, and we will get the value of y. We put the value of x in equation 2. Now putting the value of x in equation second, we have what we obtain 2 by y is equal to 4 by 1 is equal to 5. Or sorry, 2 by y plus 4 by 1 equal to 5, or 2 by y equal to 5 minus 4, or 2 by y equal to 1. We take y in RHS and this one will come in LHS. We have y equal to 2 by 1 equal to 1, 2. Thus, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is required equation. I write it, but it need not to write in examination because this is short answer question. You should write in exam this only. I write this is the required solution. You note it in your notebook, then I will write next question. Question number 13. Comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by A2, C1 by C2, calculate that the given linear equation pair minus 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 4 y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14 are either consistent or inconsistent. What we have to do, I have just discussed in previous questions. Here we convert the given equations in general form. Solution. Converting the given equations, the given equations pair in general form. We have, please note it in your notebook. Minus 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 4 y minus 7 equal to 0. Second equation 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. Now we calculate A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Let us see. Here A1 by A2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 by 9. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 9. 3 1 ja, this is minus 1, 3 3 ja, 3. This is equal to minus 1 by 6. B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 4 by 10. 5 by 4 by minus 10. This is equal to 5 by 4 into minus 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, minus 2 this will here, and minus 1 by minus 8. This is here, minus 1 by 8. Or, and C1 by C2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 14. Minus 1, minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. What we see here? Can you see that A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 6. B1 by A2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. And C1 by C2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here we see that A1 by A2 is equal to naught B1 by B2. And we know that in this case, in this situation, equations are consistent. So we write, please note it in your notebook. Here A1 by A2 equal to naught B1 by B2. So the given equations pair are consistent. You note it in your notebook. Solve question number 14. Solve 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14 and 3yx minus, sorry, 3yx minus 4y equal to 23. Here we have to solve the question and no particular method is asked. So we can adopt any method, and we adopt here also elimination method. In this method, what we do, as we know that we eliminate one of the variable. Here we eliminate x. For this, what we do, we here given that, see this. Here given that 3 by x plus 3y equal to 14. Equation number first. 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Question is equation second. What we do? For eliminating the variable x, we multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 3, and also we multiply equation second by coefficient of x in equation first, and we subtract it. This is short answer question. So we should avoid writing more language. We write it as first equation first into 3 minus equation second into 4 Here on subtraction we not write it on subtraction because I have already written this. We directly subtract by changing the sign. Let us see. 12 by x plus 9y is equal to 14 3 ja 42. Again 12 by x minus 4 4 ja 16. 16y is equal to 23 into 4 is equal to 92. You please calculate. Now we subtract it by changing the sign. This will cancel, plus will added, and sign will plus. This is 25y And also here plus minus changed, plus minus is subtracted, and sign is of greater 92. See here, this is equal to minus 50. We have, or y is equal to minus 50 by 25, and we have minus 2. Please note it in your notebook. Now we put the value of y in either equation 1 or in second, and we put equation value of y in equation first. We have, let us see, 4 by x, we write it also. Putting the value of y, putting the value of y in equation 1, we have 4 by x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14, or 4 by x minus 6 is equal to 14, or 4 by x is equal to 14 plus 6, or 4 by x is equal to 20, or x is equal to 4 by 20, this is equal to 1 by 5. This is equal to 1 by 5. Thus, x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2. This is the required solution. We write it here. Thus, x is equal to 1 by 5, y is equal to minus 2. Write this only in examination. I write here, this is the required solution. This is the required solution. This need not to write in examination because this is short answer question. You note it in your notebook. Now, the short answer questions are finished of this chapter. In next class, I will discuss long answer questions for 5 marks. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Mathematics Vibes. I Satish Kumar Thakur, lecturer in math, Raja Ram Shah College, Raxaul, Bihar, India. Have a nice day. Thank you.